What is adaptive control? Adaptive control is a system that can automatically adjust its parameters to compensate for variations in the characteristics of the process it controls. It is specially designed to operate in a changing environment. Typical tasks that are achieved through adaptive control are automatic tuning of controllers, building up a gain schedule for various operation points, and maintaining system performance. Adaptive control is made up of three main processes: identification of system dynamics, where the controller identifies the current performance of the system; decision, where the controller decides how to modify the control mechanism based on pre-programmed logic; and modification, where the system parameters are adjusted towards an optimal state. There are several advantages to using adaptive control systems. These include real-time control, increased production rates, extended tool life, and less operator intervention. Adaptive control systems are used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, power generation, and CNC machining. If you like this information on adaptive control, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.